Dear devotees, I am going to explain Bhagavad Gita, 7th chapter, 2nd section. Tesham jnani nityayukta eka bhaktir vishishyade priyo hi jnanino tyardva makam sa ja mama priya. Of these, the best is the man of wisdom, ever established in identity with me, and possessor of exclusive devotion, for I am extremely dear to the wise man who knows me in reality, and he is extremely dear to me. Udara sarva yavaite jnani tvamaiva me madam astida sa hi yuktatma mamevanu ma gadim. Indeed, all these are noble, but the man of wisdom is my very self. Such is my view for such a devotee who has his mind and intellect merged in me, is firmly established in me alone as the highest goal. ബഹൂനാം ജന്മനാമന്തേ ജ്ഞാനവാൻമാ പ്രപദ്യതേ വാസുദേവ സർവമിതി സ മഹാത്മാ സുദുർലഭ. In the very last of all births, the enlightened person worships me by realizing that all this is God. Such a great soul is rare indeed. കാമൈസ്തൈസ്തൈ കൃതജ്ഞാന പ്രപദ്യന്തേ ന്യദേവത തം തം നിയമ ആസ്ഥായ പ്രകൃത്യാ നിയതാ സ്വയാ. Those whose wisdom has been carried away by various desires, being prompted by their own nature, worship other deities, adopting norms relating to each. Yom yom, yam yam, tanu bhakta, ശ്രദ്ധയാ അർച്ചിതു മിച്ഛിതി തസ്യ തസ്യാ ജലാ ശ്രദ്ധ താമേവ വിദ്യാമ്യഹം. Whatever celestial form a devotee craving for some worldly object chooses to worship with reverence, I stabilize the faith of that particular devotee in that very form. Sa taya shraddhaya yuktastasya radhana mihade labade cha tada kamanmayaiva vihidanki tana. Endowed with such faith, he worships that particular deity and obtains through that deity without doubt his desired enjoyments as a verily ordained by me. Andavandu phalam tesham tad bhavatya alpa medasam devandeva yajo yanti madbhakta yanti mamabi. The fruit gained by these people of a small understanding, however, is perishable. The worshippers of gods attain the gods, whereas my devotees, howsoever they worship me, eventually come to me and me alone. Avyaktum avyakti mavanam manyande mama buddhya param bhava mamavyaya manuttamam, not knowing my supreme nature, unsurpassable and undecaying, the ignorant persons regard me, who am the supreme spirit, beyond the reach of mind and senses, and the embodiment of truth, knowledge, and bliss, to have assumed a finite form through birth as an ordinary human being. Nagam prakasha sarvasya yoga maya samavritta mudogyam nabi janadi logo mamajamma vayam, veiled by yoga maya, my divine potency. I am not manifest to all. Hence, these ignorant folk fail to recognize me, the birthless and imperishable supreme deity. Example, consider me as a subject to birth and death. Vedaham samadidani vartamana ani jargun bhavishyani cha bhudani ma tu veda na kaschana. Arjuna, I know all beings past as well as present, nay, even those that are yet to come, but none devoid of faith and devotion knows me. Icha dvesha samuddena dvandva mohena bharata sarvabhutani sammoham sarge yandi parandava. O valiant Arjuna, through delusion in the form of pairs of opposites such as pleasure and pain, etc., born of desire and aversion, all living creatures in this world are falling a prey to delusion. Yesham Tundagadam Pavam Jananam Punya Karmanam Te Dvanda Moha Anirmukta Bhajande Ma Dradavrada. But those men of virtuous deeds, whose sins have come to an end, being freed from delusion in the form of pairs of opposites born of attraction and repulsion, worship me with a firm resolve in every way. Jaramarana mokshaya mamasritya yadanti ye te brahma tadvidu krishna ma adhyatmam karma chakilama Sadi Budadi Devam Ma Sadi Yajna Ja Ye Vidu Prayana Kalebi Ja Ma Te Viduryukta Chedasa. They who having taken refuge in me, strive for deliverance from old age and death. Know Brahma, the Absolute, the whole Adhyatma, the totality of jivas, are embodied souls, and the entire field of karma action, as well as my integral being, comprising Adi Buddha, the field of matter, Adi Deva, Brahma, and Adi Yajna, the unmanifested divinity dwelling in the heart of all beings as their witness, and they who possessed of a steadfast mind know thus even at the hour of death, they too know me alone. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Subanishatsu ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्ण अर्जुन संवादे ज्ञानविज्ञानयोगो नाम सप्तमोह अध्याय. Thus in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 7th chapter entitled The Yoga of Jnana, knowledge of Nirguna, Brahma, and Vijnana, knowledge of manifest divinity. Thank you to all. Jai Hind.